Which top Bollywood actress should feature in a movie on Nagin?
Deepika Padukone will make the best Nagin because she's tall. She's like that, very sharp features and everything, and she's
Slim,
top
I know that.
everywhere.
Ranbir or Shahid better actor, according to you?
Sir, I'm no one to judge a better actor, but I would.
Kajol or Kareena better actor?
Kareena is definitely the
Someone that you like
game. Kajol is a great actress. Matlab, if somebody I really loved, it's Kajol.
One thing people don't know about Nia Sharma.
Nobody knows me at all. You know, they will see one person on Instagram, they will see another in real life. So, although my entire life is on Instagram and everybody thinks they have seen me, oh I dress up, oh मैं क्या ऐसे बनती हूँ, but you really don't know. I have seen a lot of Instagram पे अब ना सब जर्नलिस्ट ही बन गए हैं, सब आपको रिव्यू करते हैं, आपके कपड़े रिव्यू करते हैं. So lately, सर उनको हिंदी भी बोलनी नहीं आ रही, वो निया शर्मा बोलते हैं, वो शर्मा भी नहीं बोलते. मुझे बस इतना है कि ये मिल गए नहीं, बचेंगे नहीं, मतलब मेरा एक हाथ पढ़ना है, मतलब अपनी हिंदी ठीक कर लो for all you want first and then say chapri or whatever.
Honey Singh.
I love you, honey, and the best part that is about him is that the first call that came, it was not from his team, it was him directly calling me. Hi everybody, मैं हूँ निया शर्मा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं Let's Talk with Faridun.
Nia, let's end this interview with rapid fire with you.
Oh, okay.
Which top Bollywood actress should feature in a movie on Nagin?
I think Deepika Padukone will make the best Nagin because she's tall, she's like that, very sharp features and everything, and she's
Slim,
top
I know that. Okay.
everywhere.
What is the weirdest thing you've heard about yourself?
हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ weird ही होता है यार. हाँ, I have seen a lot of Instagram पे अब ना सब जर्नलिस्ट ही बन गए हैं, सब आपको रिव्यू करते हैं, आपके कपड़े रिव्यू करते हैं. So lately, सर उनको हिंदी भी बोलनी नहीं आ रही, वो निया शर्मा बोलते हैं, वो शर्मा भी नहीं बोलते. They are reviewing me and they're telling me ये छपरी निया शर्मा हर जगह छोटे कपड़े पहनती है. मतलब मुझे बस इतना है कि ये मिल गए नहीं, बचेंगे नहीं, मतलब मेरा एक हाथ पढ़ना है. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इतनी ऑडेसिटी जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर अ नेम एंड पीपल कैन रियली टॉक अबाउट यू. मतलब अपनी हिंदी ठीक कर लो फॉर ऑल यू वांट फर्स्ट एंड देन से छपरी और व्हाटएवर. बट दोस वर्ड्स डैम दैट्स क्रेजी.
How should a man woo you, if you can share a few tips?
Just be a man, just be nice, just yeah, take me out on a yacht and then propose to me there. I think that'll be the best thing.
Anything apart from yacht?
सोचा नहीं. Probably a nice dinner somewhere really nice, and Mumbai is anyway full of like the hospitality right now, and the restaurants right now are the great peak. A nice dinner at a nicest place is a very fun idea of being with somebody.
One thing you do to unwind after a long day?
I'll probably go partying because my makeup is on, my dress is on, I'm looking nice, and that's when I probably can go out partying. Have a nice, that one whiskey sour, that's my most favorite drink that I really celebrate my life with. When I've done something good or I've earned good money on that day, I go out and that's when I do. And it doesn't need a Saturday or a Friday night, no. It's just when I have earned my money and I'm looking nice, I will go party. Monday भी क्यों ना हो फिर.
Okay, what's the last thing you binge watched?
ये काली काली आँखें, just the second season of it's pretty nice, pretty chill, and Saurabh Shukla is something. So
Absolutely. Okay, what's the most daring thing you've ever done?
I think I'm pretty daring in everything I do. There's no doubt about it. The things that I probably do and it just gets blown out of proportion, वो मैं करती बिना सोचे समझे हूँ, but जब वो हो ना, so and not everybody would be doing it if everybody had dared to do things, right? मैं bungee jumping तो नहीं बोलूँगी, that is silly, but I've done it.
One thing people don't know about Nia Sharma.
Nobody knows me at all, you know. They will see one person on Instagram, they will see another in real life. So although my entire life is on Instagram and everybody thinks they have seen me, oh I dress up, oh मैं क्या ऐसे बनती हूँ, but you really don't know me. No one knows.
Okay, what's a hidden talent?
There is none, because talent छुपाने के लिए होता ही नहीं है. जिसके पास होता है वो फिर दिखाता ही है. कोई डांसर होता है वो रुकते थोड़ी ना, हर जगह शुरू हो जाता है. जो सिंगर्स होते हैं वो कोई भी महफिल जमी हो सबसे पहले वो गाते हैं. अपने पास है ही नहीं कुछ यार. बट आई हैव लर्न जिमनास्टिक्स, जो मुझे बचपन में सीखना चाहिए था, तब डाला नहीं पापा ने उसमें, पर मैंने खुद बड़े होकर सीख लिया. सो नाउ आई डू दोस फ्लिप्स एंड कार्ट व्हील्स एंड दिस थिंग. आई थिंक दैट्स प्रीटी किक एस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. आई नो बहुत कमेंट्स में लिखते हैं तो बच्चा कर लेता है, पर मैं 30 साल के ऊपर हूँ एंड आई एम डूइंग इट. आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी किलर ऑफ मी.
क्या आप कहेंगी कि मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ?
I'm sorry, no, that's not what I meant, but I'm just saying.
No, but there's no harm in that actually. One should be.
That's
right?
Kareena Kapoor forever.
Achha,
We shouldn't be
okay.
copying it.
You want to be completely original.
But I am original.
Okay. Do you like to journal your thoughts?
No, I don't do that. No.
If you want to ask a question to following people that you still haven't What is that one question that you'd ask them? Crystal D'Souza.
We are just in the same building. We're just two people living our own lives. What probably would I ask her? Trip पे चल रही है क्या? I've never asked her that, and nor has she. So I think it's time. It's high time that we actually go on a trip together, bud.
Where would you like to go?
Vegas or Mexico or Italy. That's on my list next. Australia, wherever. Budget.
Okay. Ravi Dubey.
Why you're so stiff in parties, Ravi? And why do you come when you don't want to dance in parties? Every day I ask him that, but उसका answer वही होता है, नहीं, it's me. नहीं, I'm like that.
Okay. Arjun Bijlani.
Why can't you just not party for one day? Why can't you take a break? Two contrasting personalities, but सही है, दोनों अपने ही दोस्त हैं.
Okay. Honey Singh.
I love you, honey. And the best part that is about him is that the first call that came, it was not from his team. It was him directly calling me and telling me to feature in his video. I think that's the best thing. And even recently he was in Mumbai and he specially invited me for a dinner with his friends. I think that was the most respectful thing that somebody who's at that level can do. So I really respect you, bud.
Okay. ये या वो, either or if you have to choose one. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Love.
Love marriage. Okay. Indian beer or Western beer?
Western.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Early morning or late nights?
I am both.
Okay. 1000 में मेरी बहना या Nagin 4?
1000 में मेरी बहना है.
Spending time on social media or spending time with friends?
Spending time on social media.
Okay. Cinema या OTT?
जो मिल जाए. जो पहले काम थे.
Okay. DDLJ या कल होना हो?
DDLJ कौन सी थी? भूल गई.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया
दुनिया ले जाएंगे. मैं बहुत छोटी थी. कल होना हो मैंने देखी है, रोई भी हूँ. So कल होना हो.
कल होना हो. Okay. Kajol या Kareena better actor?
Better I don't know, but Kareena is definitely the
Someone that you like
game. Kajol is a great actress. मतलब if somebody I really loved, it's Kajol.
Ranbir या Shahid better actor according to you?
Sir, I'm no one to judge a better actor, but I would. Shahid has really had like the whole decade to himself extra to prove his worth, and Heather changed the entire ball game for him. So.
Okay. Okay. Beaches या mountains?
Beaches, any day.
Ariana Grande या Beyonce better singer?
Beyonce.
Okay. Michael Jackson या Madonna better performer?
Madonna.
Madonna.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Nia Sharma, wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
And
That's it. We're done.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Hi everybody, मैं हूँ निया शर्मा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं Let's Talk with Faridun.